Well, here we are, guys. Looks like I got a busy weekend ahead of me. God, it's heavy, this is. Brilliant. And yes, you could have put money on it. The day I need plenty of room outside on the garden table is the day it pours down with rain. So I'm going to do what I can and see how it goes, eh? Let's have a quick look inside the bag. If you'll see much. Oh, hang on. Oh, there we are. Lianne, do I need to? I don't think. I'll tell you what, I've had a quick look at these. I don't need to grade them, I don't think. It's hard to do this. Get a bit of light on the subject. That's better. That's better. Yeah, don't need to grade these. They look pretty good. So, here we go then, guys. Start packing. Alright, guys. Well, that's the first batch of, I think it's 35 in here now. It'd be an even number of 4, so 32 or 36. Next lot. Oh, crikey. Right, let's get back into production. These are the unsuitable. What's the unsuitable? Haven't made the grade for me, so I've been cherry picking as I'm doing them. And what I'm doing, make sure what I'm doing, I'm just picking them out. I'm not grading them. I'm not grading them before I pick them out. I'm just grabbing them, and if they look good enough, they're going in a packet. So get a bunch of these ready. We got. Oh, get it all sorted out, Steve. It's all sorted just now. We got the labels all printed off. I'm not going to show you the addresses, obviously, but here we go. So what's this? Another 4, 8, 12, 16, another 20 there. Next lot. So all I do, I just do 4 at a time. Oh. Right, hang on, I go over the place here again, right. We've got the letters to go in the envelopes. I got my lovely crinkly paper, and what I do 4 at a time. Because it makes it sort of manageable, you know what I mean? Good stuff this, I think that's what you call it really. Perforated, corrugated. It's good stuff, I'll show you in a minute, hang on. Right, that's that. That's that. That's that, right. Put those out of the way, don't need those for a second. Right, here we go. So yeah, it's a reject pile. I bought proper labels this year, proper Avery ones. I bought some cheap ones last time and they just awful time getting them to stick. I mean, it's not just for the potatoes, but my sales in general. It is a case of you get what you pay for, you know. It's so bad if it was more than like 2 degrees Celsius out here. And if you get one that's got an orange flash on it, on the label, all that means is that the postman has to pick these up before the scheduled collection, because it's saying there's no more slots available for me until Tuesday or even Wednesday. And these are all due to be collected on Monday, obviously. So what it is, a quick look in here. And I'll leave that one. Nothing wrong with it, don't get me wrong, but I'm trying to get them all the same size. There we are. So got a hole in there. Just making sure it's got enough eyes on it and I can see enough there. Ooh. Bit of this crinkly paper. It's good stuff. It really, I mean, it protects glass in transit, so I'm pretty sure it must do all right with a potato. Get it all stretched out amongst itself. Whew. Grab a letter. Put the letter round as well. Pop it in. And there we are, get it tucked in. Off with these are so static, they stick to you if you don't get them off quickly. Don't earth them, if you know what I mean. There we are then, another one done. I'll just do one more with you and then we'll get on, eh? I'll get on and bring them up at the end. Once again, a massive big shout out, massive big thank you to Jameson. 3, 4 on that one, that'll do. Yeah, so if you ever do post anything for collection, well, the postman collects it, you've already done one collection and you want to add to it, all you've got to do is, if you can't do it online, just make sure that when the postman comes to get whatever you've booked in for collection, make sure he scans the other ones first, and they'll all get added to the same collection then, otherwise you've got to wait a day, you know. So here we go then. Going to be a good one this year. Got the 2 prizes, don't forget. Highest yield, so the most weight overall, and the heaviest single potato. So bit of dilemma there. Do you go for one or the other or both? Or if maybe the yield fails, you've got the heaviest single spud, you know? Oh, black coffee. It used to be called black coffee, now they call it funny things like Americano and stuff, isn't it? Oh, I don't know. I'll leave that one. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with these, totally nothing wrong with them. I just want to make sure everyone gets one that looks pretty much the same. Yep. I did a load yesterday when I included for the club members, I included the club seeds in the same packets. I put the envelope in with the club letter and I forgot to put the blooming seeds in. So I had to redo a load of them. Yeah. More haste, less speed, as they say. I'll tell you what, these really are good potatoes. I mean, even these here that I've rejected, they would be good in any allotment or any pot growing on your own, believe me. They're just, I want to get everyone having the same crack at the whip, so a fair crack at the whip, you know what I mean? Well, I'll do one more, just get this sheet used up and then come back when they're all done, eh? Oh, that's a nice one. Funny shape, but it's a nice one. I've got a couple of local people actually. The one just down the road, I shan't mention her name, but she's coming in a minute to collect her potato. So a bit cheaper for her. And another guy from Nailsworth, I'll tell you his name, it's Liam from Isotope Chillies. He gave me a couple of chilli plants last year, fantastic. One of them, I got the seeds for it on sale now, and the plugs actually. It's a Sugar Rush Stripy Peach, whichever way you want to say it, but it's also got variegated leaves. It's very, very pretty. I think I did a video on it last year, but I'll show you again when they're a little bit bigger. Right, that's those 4 done. I'll go and get a bag, get this rubbish in the bin, and bring you back when it's all done, eh? We've got, yeah, a couple more to go. Hi guys, I think that's about it. That's you know, I've forgotten already. 62, I think it is, 62. Yeah, because I have to use this part of a second sheet. Yeah, so that's them all done. Not many left in here now. And don't forget, I'm closing entries on the 20th. It's going to be pretty strict this year. I was sending them out last year, I don't know, towards the end of March. I probably told you this before. And they were sprouting all over the place. And it wasn't fair to the entrants. So I'm going to be quite strict and cutting them off on the 20th. Yeah, so like I said, that should be just about done now. I said a lady was going to come and pick her potato up. Said I shan't mention her name, but her name's Lianne. Doesn't mind me mentioning her name. And she's got an allotment channel called The Wild Patch. And just as I was warming up indoors, I went and had a quick subscribe. Go and look at her channel, guys. She's only got 30 odd subscribers, Well, I tell you what, there's some fantastic content there already. I'll put a link in the description below. Always happy to do shout outs for those that are worth it. The Wild Patch, have a look. She's got an allotment, not on Leaf and Ground. She used to have an allotment on Leaf and Ground, but she now got one on the council site just down the road. She only lives, I can tell you what. As the crow flies, it's probably about 200 metres that way. But yeah, go and check them out. Well, there we are, guys. That's it. Waiting for a postman to come tomorrow now. Like I said, this lot will have to go before the other blue bag because they're not on the other collection list. 2 prizes, heaviest spud, heaviest yield. Video out, please, of you cutting and planting or slicing it, whatever you're going to do. And one at the end when you harvest. Don't film the weights, please. I had to do a bit of crafty editing last year to take one weight off. Only 2 of the videos, to tell you the truth. Take the weights off. And if you can remember and you're using your phone, please film in landscape format. It makes it so much easier for me to edit. And all the weights to me by the 30th of October. And hopefully I'll get the video out. Ooh, let's see, first week of November. I may do it a bit different this year. I may do it in 2 videos. One, say, up to about May or June with everyone getting their spuds in, and then one later with the harvesting, because it did drag on a bit last year, an hour and 20 odd minutes or something. Even I fell asleep watching it. Right, take care guys, catch you on the next video.